Welcome. In this video I will show you how to find out what windows you have. To find that out, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then in Settings select System, and then in System on the left side of the window scroll down to the About section. Open it. Now in the About section, scroll down until you get to Device Specifications. Here you can find your system type, which may be important. So here is the here it says whether you have a 64 or 32-bit operating system, and below you can find the Windows specifications, and here you can find the edition. For me it's Windows 10 Pro, and the version of your Windows, which is 22H2 for me. And that's how you find your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.